Alright, so Kim and I are down in downtown Portland. We are going to take you to some of the cool sites, some of the cool restaurants. Should be cool. Hope you like it. Alright, so we just got done eating at the Rock Bottom Brewery here on
Morrison and 2nd.
Morrison and 2nd. Really good food in there and really good beer as well.
They brew their own.
Funny part is there's a brewery going on right now, or a brew fest going on, and we came here instead to get. Alright, so we're at the Tom McCall Waterfront Park. So this is where all the events happen throughout the year, and it's really cool because they got paths that go all the way around the Willamette River. And so here today, being a Saturday, they've got the Saturday market that's always here. And then they've also got the Oregon Brewers Fest.
Yeah, I think Oregon Brewers Fest.
Yeah.
It's called.
How you doing today? Yeah, good. How you doing? All right. Awesome. All right. Thank you. All right, so we're just enjoying ourselves here at the Oregon Brewers Festival. Kim is reading through some of the 5,000 beers that they've got here. And she found a pretty good one that I thought you guys would all like to hear. So Kim, take it away.
It's called the Caldera Mother Pucker Chocolate Raspberry.
What did you say?
Sour.
Watch your mouth. Say it again.
Caldera Mother Pucker Chocolate Raspberry Sour.
Oh, you said pucker.
So it says, this kettle sour ale is brewed with a pure lactobacillus yeast with peak of ripeness red raspberries added during fermentation for the ultimate raspberry experience.
It sounds disgusting. All right, so we just left the Brewers Festival. Now we're heading not even a block to Saturday Market. Welcome to the Oregon Zoo.
We are right now in Washington Park. We're at the International Rose Test Garden. So you'll see hundreds of different types of roses here. Washington Park is 410 acres. It's actually, I think, the largest city park within the state of Oregon. It includes the Oregon Zoo, there's a World Forestry Center, the Holocaust Museum, Vietnam Veterans Memorial, so several different things you can access within the park.
Pretty cool. All right, so we just left the zoo. Took a quick trip down to, or took a free shuttle down to the International Rose Garden, which is also where the Japanese garden is located. And now we're taking just a quick, I don't know, maybe a couple hundred yards, and then we're gonna get to the trail system.
For what?
The whole park.
410 acres.
So 410 acres total. And this is directly downtown, and all within access with TriMet that you can hop on. So it makes it really convenient and easy to get to. All right, and just like that, a couple hundred feet, and we're now in the trails. And one of the cool things about this trail system is the fact that it can take you up to the Pittock Mansion. You can walk to Forest Park, which is just across from Washington Park, and I don't even know how many more acres of a park that is, but that's...
I think they say there's a total of 50 miles of trail. They're very treed, so in the summertime when it's hot, it's a great place to go. And in the wintertime, if it's just drizzling, you're protected by the tree cover.
And we've been there when there's been a downpour, and we just hide underneath the tree.
And we hid under a tree.
And kept us dry for a little bit.
Yep.
All right, so we just got off the Max. We are on 10th and Yamhill, and then we're trying to get to the Pearl District area of Portland, so we are gonna jump on the streetcar. So you got a bunch of different options. Like I said, it's all within walking distance. We could easily walk it, but we wanted to show you guys the streetcar as well, just to show you what options you have if you come downtown. Just know you don't have to walk everywhere, that there's transportation for you to get around. All right, so if you love beer like we do, Portland's got you covered. Welcome to the brewery blocks. Cookie dough cafe, and unfortunately you can't smell it, but just imagine the smell of like fresh cookies. It's delicious. So nothing like beer and cookies, I guess. So dark in here, we have to use the phone to light us up.
Now can you see me?
Ooh, it's scary in here. What does it say about this place?
It's supposed to be haunted by the family members.
Ooh, scary.
I googled the Old Town Pizza place where we are currently and found that Portland actually offers a haunted pub tour. So it's a 2.5-hour tour. It goes through the Shanghai tunnels. You get to taste 6 local beers and learn all about the history and hauntings underground within Portland.
Just go for it?
No, I'll dip it.
How is it?
Garlicky goodness.
This place is on the Travel Channel, right?
Yes. So this is the Merchant Building, one of the oldest buildings in Portland. And back in the 1800s, the story is that there was a woman that died here and was actually thrown down the elevator shaft, which is right here behind this brick wall.
Whether you believe in ghosts or not, it's kind of a creepy place just because it's old. It's one of the oldest buildings in Portland. And when you walk in here, all the floors creak. It's a really cool place to come. It's kind of dark and dingy, and you definitely feel like at any moment somebody could come kidnap you. Anyway, if you ever get a chance, if you come downtown to Chinatown, pizza was great, beer was really good. kind of a spooky atmosphere, which is pretty neat. So really enjoyed that place. If you ever get a chance, if you like pizza and beer, it's a good spot to come try. Right downtown, they've got the Pioneer Place Mall. So we'll take a quick glance in there so you can see what that's all about. Hopefully you enjoyed, and we'll see you next time.